so we're gonna be I'm gonna be cooking up. Mhm. What is up, guys? I'm playing this concept game that I've been following since the start of the first episode that he posted on YouTube about a particle block, which I thought was so cool, and now here's the game now. So I think that's really cool. Um, for it to, what do you call it? For it to, I can't speak, sorry. I think it's so cool to see how far it came, and I really like this game. Um, use the donate. I didn't know this was in the game. If I had Robux, I would donate, but I don't have Robux, but I would donate. So sorry to the developer. I would donate if I had Robux. It's your game. You deserve Robux for this. Hey, somebody else is in the game. But you deserve Robux for working this hard. Like, look at this. Anyways, I really like that. That's cool. That's funny. Um, so let's just get into it. Alright, so here's the game. It's really well made. It's probably the most well made build mode out there compared to Piggy. Honestly, sometimes I hope that he gets hired. Well, I hope he gets hired. Not sometimes, all the time. This is very well made. The UI design on just how he does it is insane. It's better than what I could do. But this right here. Oh, the owner's actually in the live stream right now. Hi. Yeah, this is actually getting added in the next update in Piggy. This is one of the coolest. I'm just letting you know. I don't understand the flashlight item though because you added gears, and I'm pretty sure you can just get the gear flashlight. But it's nice to like have players want to expand on it though. Um, this developer is actually allowed me to make my own sort of game. Use how advanced and nice he is. So first off, I'm gonna just set that there. Something I want to get out of the way is advanced scaling he has. You change this, you can scale it like that. Make like, look at this, so cool. There's one bug, real quick, I want to let you know. In the terrain block, you can't scroll all the way down, so maybe we can fix that. But I'm gonna review all the blocks. So number one, we got the door. This is in Piggy, but instead of having it in multiple different doors, you have to change the settings, which I like. That's very nice looking. Colorable door. Um, which is very cool. Let's say I want this to be blue. I can color that and set the same key color. And then I just set up green. Actually, if you hold down shift, wait, I gotta hold down shift and right click or control. Which one is it? Oh, yeah, there we go. Shift and right click on a block, you can get the same block type, which is cool. And then for the door frame, you can see, oh, whoa, wait, alright, now if we play, we pick up the key, doesn't work on this, but works on this, which I really like. It's really nice. Something I like about this game is you can start the game by just pressing F1 right away. I don't know if it's intentional, but it's nice. It's a nice feature. This is really nice. Next off, once again, I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait. Forgot about the undo feature. By the way, I don't know if you heard this or not, Curly Fry, but on the terrain block settings, you can't scroll all the way down on the picker for it. So you might want to fix that. I don't know. So next we got the particle block, which is really cool. I'll just move that. Wait, where to fly? And then start the game. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I deleted it, so yeah, you're welcome. So anyway, the particle block has very cool features. Um, one thing that his game made me start to somewhat learn, oops, no, no, is hex colors. I never knew what this was until now, so I kind of learned. But you can change the size. I'm gonna make like 10 feet. I'm also make 10. You can like start the game, and it'll be right there. Yeah. There's a bunch of other cool settings for this, like um, you could change the color to like here. Let's do maroon. So now if we start, it'll be a maroon color. Oh, that's more reddish, but it's really cool. Um, Sparkles, you can just change the color. Smoke, it's smoke. You can change the color, the size, the rise. The advanced thing is the particles, and you can choose type. I'm going to, what do you call it? Hide my screen so I can go get a decal for this. So you guys seeing my stuff, my computer. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll I'll just do this. George 404. That's what the creator uses for it. So that's what I'm gonna use. Oh, I just gotta check. Okay, yep. So paste in the ID and boom. You can change the color, but I'm gonna just show you right now what it looks like. Got George 404. But anyways, I'm gonna just delete that. Wait, close that. I don't use that. Anyways, that's the particle block. It's really cool. The ball sign. It's something we need in Piggy. It's kind of basic, but I bet it was hard to code because I don't understand none of this. But I don't know. Well, I understand something like UI, but that's pretty much all of it. Okay. But yeah, you can change the text. So I'm gonna do like um, I'm gonna don't. Can I not spell? So 8 curly robot when I get. Oh, that got censored, but yeah, that time would have been true. When I get Robux, I'm gonna donate him $500. I mean, not dollars. That's way too much. Robux because he deserves it. This is a really well polished game. Um, so I really think he deserves it, especially for the tutorials. On his channel, Curly Fry Studio. Yeah, he's actually in chat right now. But you can go check out tutorials from him. Can this drag? Okay, there. Next, we have visible kill block. It's just like the kill block in Piggy don't know, but it's visible. The decal block. That's more advanced. So let me just get that in there. We play. You can press F1 on your keyboard, and it will start. And since I made the thing green, the the image green. But if I make the block white, the image would just be white. Yeah, no problem. So, and game. Yeah, let me scale this up a bit. Boom. Got this. Pretty cool. But there's something else cool about this. Hold on. You can make the block visible in tile scale and change the transparency here. Um, it's kind of like how when you place the block, it looks like that. Like when you're placing it, it's like transparent. You can see through it. That's what transparency is. So if I start with the tile mode on, it's like tiled on the blocks. Really cool. Anyways, that's the decal block pretty much. So seat block, you sit down. Oh, okay. You can no longer sit down when testing. Weird. Uh-oh, where is it? Oh, right here. Yeah, you just sit down and block. Nothing too special. Um, post-processing block, I'm gonna go through this because it has a lot of advanced settings. But go play his game. It has a lot of cool effects like contrast. I can make it at like -5. And if I make it -5, it's, yeah, whatever this is, like red. It just changes the contrast. What else we get through? I'll let you guys look through these settings real quick. Yep, that's all it is. Now, the train block, I'm pretty sure that the developer is fixing something with it right now. Oh, not right now, but he will. I can't show all of them right now, but that's getting fixed. Like, I could do asphalt, and then I could, like, place this, scale it, um, oh, there you go. change this to 4. And then there. Now just keep that grass, and then we'll do like ground. And I'm pretty sure if we start, yeah, look, the ground is like sticking up through the grass, smoothly connects with it. That's really nice looking, but I'm pretty sure that's just Roblox physics with the terrain. Let's get really cool on how he added this. Gravity block, it changes gravity, so I can make the gravity 0. Just saying, it's just kind of stupid sounding, but when you're typing, you should have, or like something that tells you the normal number of gravity, because, actually never mind, players can just delete the block. Okay. Look, boom. I forgot what that was. Alright. Temple code, I'm gonna skip that for now. Invisible block, everybody knows what that is. If you play Piggy at least. Wait. Text, it's like the mall sign, but actually, like, just customizable no matter what. See? Just, I'm gonna do. Yep. You can change the font. This one has more customization. Creekster, and I'm gonna do like red. Okay, yeah. This game is amazing. Oh, it's spooky. Mesh block. Now you actually gotta go into Studio for this. So, once you're in Studio, you wanna go to mesh ports and just find the mesh. I'll do this burger pillow and mesh ID, and then go back into Roblox. And you go into here, mesh ID, boom, there it is. I start the game, but you guys will notice something. It's the shape, but not the texture. And if you want, you can color the block and make it whatever color you want. But if you come into Studio, there's a texture ID. You just copy that too, and paste it as the texture. And probably really cool. I don't use it a lot. If I had like Blender and actually use this game for map building, I really want to. Want to use it for map building, or like I'm too lazy to build maps anymore in Piggy when I have some knowledge of Roblox Studio. But as you can see, it's like that. It's really cool. Like a little yap session, but I don't know how to turn that off. Shadow and proportional to original size, you can turn those on, and it will be the original size and have the shadow. That's it. It only has the shadow because my turns on shadows. Now time for here. I'll just do decorations. I swear this area got bigger. I'm stupid. If you meet the owner in game, you get this end. You can do pretty cool things with this, like that. Pretty cool. Favorite decoration in the game. We got the bed. And, wait, and I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but like, what the heck? Why did I turn it like that? But anyways, I'm pretty sure some of my decorations might be getting added, but I'm not sure. That's all up to girly fry. NPCs. So actually, I forgot. Wait. For this, I'm gonna return to the menu for the NPCs, and here's the reason. Who's a little sister? Peppa Sky Pig. Hi, Peppa Sky Pig. By the way, I love this animation. It's really cool. Um, actually, it might be 1,000. Wait, how much is 1,000 on here? $10? Yeah, I'll wait. It just broke my game. Yeah, I know. Custom characters. Now this is cool. It looks like I'm in the studio, but I'm not. To create new, there's all these options. This is like in the real piggy that's being created right here. He added it after because players people wanted it. But all these options, and I'm going to pick hoodie. I like hoodie. Not huggy. What? Hoodie. Wait, what's this? Am I stupid? What is this number? What if I change that? Oh, texture ID. Wait, what? Oh, decal texture? Makes sense. Reminds me of the UI somewhat, but like this would be over here, this would be up, and this would be over here. But this reminds me of when the game first released. The UI somewhat was similar. So look, I can like add a ball. If I can click it. Wait, I kind of forgot how to use it. Sorry. Dude. Okay, and I just don't want it's just not working. Here, I'll add a block. Okay, that's working. Okay, that's just my fault. There we go. So actually, I'm going to do a mesh. If I can click. There we go. Now, first off, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do something very quick. Yeah, that's what I figured. That happened to me a lot when testing this, but I don't think that's something you can really fix. So, be right back, real quick. I'm back. Sorry for the wait. Hold on, my headphone wire's stuck on my chair. I gotta fix that. Ow. Dude, it just happened again. Okay. So back to what I was doing. Wait, how do I? Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. So, once again, I'm gonna make a Burger Man guy. Am I starting? And texture. Now, super cool rotate tool, by the way. Wait. Um, can I not change it to 1? Is the limit like 5? Okay, yeah. I'm guessing the limit is 5. How does that? Okay. A little off centered. You should add it. Hold on, let me show you something real quick. Mr. Curly Fry. So in Roblox Studio, when I rotate a part, yeah, it's pointed the same direction as that. But if I like right click um and use world space, I can drag like this. I don't know if you're able to do that, but you should make it so you can, yeah, drag it like that, whatever. Or to explain. Now I'll just do it like that. I'll close. I think that's good. Then I'll do next. Actually, I want to do one more thing and give him a. Actually, okay, I'll just do this. There we go. Oh, wait, do you have to. Dude, can you stop happening to me? Right hand. And I'll make him. Uh, I'll do 0.5. How does that look? Okay, that looks good. Now I can do the animation. Idle. Okay, yep. That's perfect. I didn't know he flew. I didn't know. Jump scare? Curly? Yeah, I want that. Finish him. Save. Wait. Ooh. Okay, so I forgot you can do this. So real quick, I'm gonna hide my screen. and I'm gonna go get some audio. Actually, never mind. I muted the audio, so there's no point of doing that. Sorry. But I actually might make a chapter about Burger Man. Oh, name Burger Man. Mission save. So now, if we return to the menu, oh wow, there's a lot of people in here. Please tell me someone donated to you. That sucks. Hey, you know what would be a really cool block idea? A G2 block. You know, block of. Okay, never mind. Alright, what was I going to? Oh, yes. I just load my auto save. Nope, that's my slot one. Okay, that's fine. I'll just set this to. So, where the heck is my skin? Oh, yeah, here's the thing. I gotta go. My skin didn't appear. Hold on. Since this might be a bug. Dude, can I? Okay. I should like become a dad so like I can like leak all the. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I would never do that. This thing's too good to get leaked. Actually, now that I think of it, people wanting to leak your games. Somewhat of a good thing. Because if your game's that good and people want to leak it, I'm leaking it right now. I'm in your studio. Look. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I got Burger Man. Okay, why did all the UI break? I think I'm just having a bad look. Okay, never mind. I can't check the console. Leave. Um, Play. Create. Join. UI looks stolen. Like the joining UI. But that's only because the UI was so well made that it looks stolen. Not saying that it's stolen, but I know it's not. Here, yeah, I'll just load this map in. Here's a map that I built. With the advanced scaling. It has these nice windows. You'll see what that is. Decal block. And here's the NPC thing. Oh, maybe I have to replace it. So I'll replace it. Okay, never mind. My thing is not loading. I'll just do Mr. Curry for right now. Oh yeah, look, the mesh block is used for a bed. We got that. The door. We got whatever this is. Oh my god, that scared me. This skin's cool. It's derpy looking with the tongue. Ah! 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 Oh. Oh, now I'm stuck in an infinite death. So, yeah. Understandable. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. So just characters with meshes are broken right now? Yeah, it totally breaks my UI. Yeah, because that's kind of a major bug. Okay. Yeah, time to hack your studio. Yep. Yep. Totally hacking right now. Yep. Yep. Mhm. Mhm. Yep. Just hacking. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh, fine. Okay, game has been hacked. Totally. Oh, why did I place it over there? Totally not a kit you published. Yeah. Uh. Oh, look at this cool thing on it. I'm kidding. Uh. Since I'm lazy, I'll just do sign. But look at how easy these are. Just in case, you know, because I didn't copy this. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Much better. Yeah. Look what I totally made. I totally made this, guys. Don't look at behind me. Yeah, don't look at the sign, guys. I totally. I did you know with this you could take this at something called you could add something called a point light, and then you could come down here and screen GR frame container duplicate any one. I'm gonna do this. What's this one called? Oh, point light, and then I can come down here, pick a type, container. The text would be point light. Now we just test real quick. I'm doing something. I'm doing a second walking over there. Boom. Okay. Point light. Oh, okay. That's a little bug, my bad. Whoa. Wait, what? Wait, that actually worked. Now, what you want to do is go into. Oops. Oh, they changed that. Oh, my bad. I'll get right back to this concept game. I'll get right back to your concept game. I'm just messing around real quick. Whoa! Point light and curly fries. Guess what? Your thing had an update. Did you know that? Come look at this. I didn't know you added the point light to the particle block. I must select it. Whoa, the color? You can change the color? Oh, holy moly. Oh, you make the color blue, red. This is so cool. Oh, okay. Enough messing around with that. Okay, so that's just small bug. Wait, what? Pause? Yeah, wait, hold on. Alright, so, if we come to Mr. Curly Fries channel, subscribe to him now. Anyways, um, you can tell I'm OG because if you come to second, the second tutorial, right, I was totally not piggy. Can you please make a kit or a tutorial on how to make a game like this, please? Pray emoji, pray emoji, pray emoji. And then people replied to me, why? So you can copy the game. This video released 9 months ago. I commented this 9 months ago. I'm pretty OG. Yeah, what I was talking about in the skin editor, this is what they used to look like. I'm gonna get onto links, anyways, because I'm yapping too much. So now, oh yeah, search bar. Here we go. I have a question for you, Curly Fry. Um, I forgot what it is. Sorry. Um, dude, never mind. I'm just stupid. It's not a question, but I'm just saying. When I saw the video block and I forgot about that after I watched the video, like a while after I watched the video, I forgot that this was in the video. I was like, wait, he added mid-game cutscenes? Is that what the video block is? And I opened it. I'm like, what? Chip code pad. It's oh the trust is so basic, but he works with scaling. It's like I heard it's like vector math or whatever. I still don't understand it, but you know, it's something alright. You have to be like top of your class in math class though, bro. The mob block. Um, hold on, I want to do something real quick. So, my sister's being very loud, so don't mind her. She's screaming. It's very annoying. So, if we come into this game, this was all made from following Curly Fry's tutorial. Pretty well made just for a tutorial. Like, I'll be honest, when I was a little bit younger, before Curly Fry became the goat he is today about go mode, I had to follow a horrible tutorial that never worked. That was like the worst. But now I have this amazing tutorial. Like, look at this. He allowed the move tool and the scale. I don't know if this is confirmed, so don't get mad at me, even though I think Curly Fries only watching, so I think I can't really say anything. Yeah, she stopped watching. I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna end stream, so bye.